To install Dynamic Island on Google Pixels, you have to start by opening Play Store, go to the search, and you have to search for this application called Dynamic Spot. And I can highly recommend you this one. As you can see, it's over 10 million downloads. There's the 4.6, and we can just simply click on the download button. And after this, I'm gonna quickly show you how easily you can set it up. It's like super simple. You have to just open it, and first of all, we have to actually accept some permissions to let it work. So click next. Now we have to select apps. So just select all apps that you want to appear in your Dynamic Island. In my case, I'm gonna turn all of them. Then go to the notification access, and from this screen you have to select Dynamic Spot, click on that switcher, scroll down, click allow, and then select draw on screen, click allow, and if it is not working, click on it one more time, click next, and select Dynamic Spot from the accessibility settings, click on the switcher, scroll down, click allow, and now click done. Click X in the right upper corner, and right here you can actually change appearance of your Dynamic Island up to your preferences. You can, for example, change its color if you want. And by going to other things, we can find some general settings. And now when you receive some notifications, it will look just like this. Take a look. It will appear right here. You can click on it and quickly expand. And that's how it actually works.